If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the last class, we learned how to say "oh no" in the Chinese way, 天哪. In this class, we are going to learn how to say "I'm sorry to hear that." Well, guess what? In Chinese culture, we don't say that. We only put on a sad face to show our compassion. We don't say anything. So class dismissed. Wait, what? I know. But if you absolutely have to say something because you're used to say "I'm sorry to hear that." So here's what you can say instead. You can say "I feel sorry for you." And the Chinese will be able to understand you and it will make sense to them. So for this sentence, "I feel sorry for you," in Chinese is 真替你难过. For this sentence, we're not going to learn it word by word because if we do it that way, all the definition of every individual words add together would not even come close to "I feel sorry for you." It will really confuse you. So to learn it better, we are going to learn it by word and phrases. So the first word is 真, that means real. So in the sentence, it can be used as really. So please repeat after me. 真, 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 真. The second word means replace, 替. And the third word is 你, that means you. So these two together means for you. So please repeat after me. 替你, 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 替你. The third word means difficult. And the last word means past. But these two words together, the phrase means feel bad, feel sad. Please repeat after me. 难过, 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 难过. So all together is 真替你难过. Please repeat after me. 真替你难过，真替你难过，真替你难过。Let's do it a little bit faster. It will sound more natural. 真替你难过。One more time. 真替你难过。One last time. 真替你难过。You did it! Let's practice what we have just learned in the conversation. Did you sleep well? Yes, I did. How about you? No, I didn't. I had a nightmare. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Now please repeat after me. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好，我做了一个噩梦。天哪，真替你难过。Let's do it one more time. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好，我做了一个噩梦。天哪，真替你难过。Practice makes perfect. Let's do it one more time. 你睡得好不好？我睡得好，你呢？我没睡好，我做了一个噩梦。天哪，真替你难过。 Check this out! It's only lesson 62, and you already can speak such a long conversation. Oh my goodness, I'm so proud of you. In the next class, we're going to learn how to say thank you in Chinese. Most likely, you might have picked up the phrase thank you in a Chinese restaurant or the movie Rush Hour. Is your tone right? Do you sound authentic? We'll find out. Please give me a thumb up and share this video. And better yet, please subscribe. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you next time.